Hi there, Sanna here again. Welcome to another video for the 2018 Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist series, and today I would like to show you some other materials that you can mist with the Glimmer Mists. And for the first set I've selected some gypsum, resin, cement. Hold on, I think I even had cement. No, not it's coming up in the next. Resin flowers, paperclay. These are made with a Prima mold, and I've basically just added paperclay into a mold, pressed the material into the form, let it dry, and then I just played a little bit. This is distress ink and some glitter glue, but we are still going to mist this piece. Then I've made some crowns with molds by Mold Muse. I will add the link, if you're interested, to the description of the video. And these are just crowns done in a similar way like this piece here. Then I have some resin flowers. These are self-made also with the molds by Mold Muse. She has a store at Etsy, I think. Then I have some relics and articrafts for pieces here. These are by Sandra Evertson. And then this is a lightweight, can you hear that? That has a different sound to it. These are really quite heavy, and this is really light piece. And this is made with this type of, you can buy it at any paper crafting, paper store, paper supply store, office supplies type of stores, at least here in Austria. And this is just a modeling material to be used in a similar way like for the previous forms. Then these are, I think, by Melissa Francis. These are also resin gypsum forms. I think it's a mixture. This button is also this lightweight material. Then I have some art stones from Prima. They have these in various sizes. I thought I'd just show it to you the bigger ones to give you a better idea. And then I have some frills. Who are these by? I can't put my mind on it. USArtQuest.com produces these, and Elizabeth Craft Designs also has some at their store, but they are colored already, so I wanted to have white ones so that we can try and play with those. And then I was thinking maybe also try an embossing powder, maybe take a white one and see what happens if you can color that with Glimmer Mists. We'll see. But this would be the starting point, and on the next video you will see what happens when we use Glimmer Mists on these products. So see you with the next video. Thanks for watching.